हेलो दोस्तों, तो आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं मुस्लिम्स भारत में कैसे आए। तो बिफोर द मुगल इन्वेजन 1526 कॉमन ईरा, Muslims were already present in India, but they formed a small minorities concentrated in the regions like Sindh, Gujarat and parts of Bengal. Their presence began with Arab traders in 7th and 8th centuries and expanded through invasions and settlements under the Delhi Sultanate 1206 to 1526 Common Era. Now we will discuss about early Muslims present in India. How we know before the invasion of Mughals, Muslims was already present in India. Arab traders 7th to 8th century. The first Muslim arrived by a trade route along with Malabar coast. They established communities in Kerala and coastal Gujarat, mainly as a merchant. Now, Umayyad conquest of Sindh 711 Common Era. Muhammad bin Qasim conquest and introduced Islam to Sindh. This created an earliest Muslim political foothold in the subcontinent. Now we will talk about the Delhi Sultanate. 1206 to 1526 Common Era, successive dynasty of Mamluks, Khiljis, Tughlaqs, Sayyid and Lodis. Expanded Muslims rule across the northern India. By the time Muslims were recognized minorities, thoughts still Muslims still for a majority. Population estimated before Mughals. Now we will talk about how much Muslims population before the Mughals. No precise census data exists for a pre-Mughal India. Historians generally agree Muslims were less than 10% of the population before Mughal era. Their numbers grew through migration from Central Asia, Persia and Afghanistan. Conversion among the certain communities, especially in Punjab, Bengal and coastal regions. Intermarriage with local populations. Now we will talk about regional concentrations. Like the areas Sindh and Punjab, early centers due to invasion from Afghanistan and Persia. Gujarat and Malabar coast, merchants and communities tied to Indian Ocean trade. Now we'll talk about Bengal. Bengal saw a significant conversion during the Delhi Sultanate period. North India, Delhi region. Political elites, soldiers and administrators formed a Muslim communities under Sultanate. Conquest before Mughal rule. By 1526, when Babur established the Mughal Empire, Muslims were politically influenced but demographically a minority. The majority of Indian populations were remain Hindu, with smaller communities of Buddhist, Jain and indigenous faiths. The Mughal period later expanded Muslims' influence culturally and demographically, but the foundation had been already laid centuries earlier. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and for the continuous information about history. Thank you.